This is almost the size of a phone, a smartphone, and Android phone. It's a 120-inch screen right now, better than any TV that you're gonna invest in because you can carry this anywhere with you. And super crystal clear. You can mirror your iPhone as well directly. Gone are the times when the projectors were bulky. Now a projector that is smart would only be the size of a TV remote, as you can see. So this is what a portable projector, which is not a scam, looks like. Available only at simplifiedtech.shop. As you can see, this is almost the size of a phone, a smartphone, and Android phone. And what can it do for you? Well, as you can see, first of all, that this is the size of the projector. And what all has it got? Well, you've got an HDMI port in this one with a USB port and a power socket. And this is the lens. And also, plus you also get quite a few things in the package itself. Let me show you. First of all, I'm going to be showing you the remote. Get a remote in this thing. So let me just try to open this. I'm trying to make this video as raw as possible for you guys so that you can relate, and you do get an option to use it like a mouse, voice assistant as well inbuilt, and again the remote is super minimal as well. Let me try and turn this on and show you what all has it got. So I've just turned this on and this is what it looks like. And what I'm gonna do right now is first of all, let me set this up. Okay, what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna grab the remote and press on this power option. This one I'm telling you guys, and it's starting up. Let me just tilt this forward, and this is how it looks on a wall. And if I'm gonna basically turn off the light, you'll see the magic happen at the same time. And super crystal clear. You can mirror your iPhone as well directly. You can also adjust the settings according to your needs, and also adjust the frame that you're seeing right now right within the store itself. If I go to settings and if I go to projection settings, then I can adjust the zoom point and how much of the display do I want. As you can see, a lot of stuff can be done. Let me just reduce the size of this device, and there you go. I can set it on automated, as you can see. And let me just try and tilt this like this. Yeah, it's a 120-inch screen right now, better than any TV that you're gonna invest in because you can carry this anywhere with you. There you go. And this is what you're seeing on the screen right now. There you go. 1080p display with Android built in. And again, let me just try and adjust the settings. Yeah, there you go. Looks better to me. If you can point it at the right direction, it's gonna work really well as well. And well, I'm back after setting this up. This is a very huge screen that you're seeing on the screen right now. I'm gonna press back, in fact the home button, and you get Google Play Store, YouTube, quick share option button is also there. You can use Prime Video. And first of all, let's see if we are connected to the internet. Let me go to settings. No lag whatsoever. Network settings, Wi-Fi setting. Let me just see if it's connected. So yeah, it is connected. Let me go to home page and let me open YouTube for you guys. Obviously you have got Google Play Store as well into this one. The app is loading up. I've just got a system update. Let me just get this done. Continue. upgrade now, and let me just update this for you guys. But overall, the screen is massive, as you can see, super clear as well. This is the best investment, guys, that you're ever gonna make on anything whatsoever, because you can take this with you anywhere where you'd like it to. It's super portable, comes with Android, Google Play Store as well. Just connected the mobile internet. Let me just press on OK. And as you can see, it is connecting to the new Wi-Fi. Connected successfully. And I'm gonna go right onto the home page now. And let me just try and load YouTube again. This time it should load absolutely fine. There you go. Watch as a guest. And let me just play this video for you. The official trailer of Michael. Let me just play it for you. So I had to pause this video because of copyright issues. But yeah, this is what you're getting with this very projector. Super high quality 1080p display onto your wall, whether you live on a rent or you want a projector for camping, then this is the best fit for you. It's super portable, you can take it with you anywhere whatsoever, and you get a 6 months warranty on this one as well. You can stream fake window videos as well, which this very projector is really popular for, and works great in dim light. You also get a no questions asked whatsoever 30-day money back guarantee. So if you don't like it in 30 days, obviously you can return it without any questions being asked from you. So if you think that this is the right investment for you, go to the link that is given down below in the description on YouTube of this very video in the description itself, and you can find the link there and go ahead and purchase this. If you don't like it, return it to me anytime, and there is zero risk for you now. Go to the link that is given down below in the description and buy yours today. Free worldwide shipping available, and ships and delivers approximately in 3 to 7 days worldwide. Thank you so much for watching. I'll meet you in the next one.